Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Instagram notifications not showing. If your Instagram notification not showing, you can try few methods to fix it. For this, first long press on Instagram app, then what you can do, tap on the exclamation mark. Now here, from here you can select a storage from here. Now what you can do, clear the cache, select clear cache, and it is because now open Instagram and then try it, see it if it's fixed. Then it doesn't, if it doesn't work, then long press again. Now go to the exclamation mark again, and now go to storage again. And now and tap on clear data, then and select delete. Now it will be clear to your data, and then open the Instagram, and now look for the uh, problem is fixed. Now if it doesn't work now, then what you have to do, go to Play Store, then or you can also, if you are iPhone user, then you can go App Store. Now search for Instagram. So here, just open it and look here if there are any update available. So if any update available, just tap on update. And also if it doesn't work, then just tap on uninstall, and uninstall it and reinstall again. So it might be fixed your problem properly. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram notification not showing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips like this.